premium design, and advanced health monitoring features, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 knows exactly what you need. Display. Speaking of the display, it's just as bright and vivid as you might remember from previous Samsung smartwatches. It's a joy to look at this remarkable 1.4 inches OLED screen, which is perfectly legible even in the brightest daytime and makes content and interface elements just pop. Processor. Model number SMR920. Chipset. Exynos W920. Clock speed. Dual core at 1.18 GHz. Cores. Dual core. GPU. Mali-G68 MP2. There is no Galaxy Watch option with a rotating bezel this year, but the Watch 5 Pro does have a bit of a unique design with the new sapphire glass display. Replacing the physical rotating dial is a concave transition from the glass up to the edge of the casing that lets your finger swipe up and down to trigger a similar bezel effect. I find this finger guide design to be superior to the flat glass of other Galaxy Watch models. Materials. Both watches use an aluminum casing, with Samsung using a sapphire crystal glass for the display, which is purportedly 1.6x times stronger than the glass used in the Galaxy Watch 4 series. The more durable build makes the Watch 5 Pro heavier and thicker than the base model. 1.5GB RAM plus 16GB internal memory. Actual storage available may vary depending on pre-installed software. Watch faces, 20 faces, 64, 8K syncs, available on Google Play and Galaxy apps. A collection of the best faces for your new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Sensors, accelerometer, barometer, bioelectrical impedance analysis, electrical heart sensor, geomagnetic sensor, gyro sensor, light sensor, optical heart rate sensor. All for you. Gray Sport Band. Official Samsung D-Buckle Gray Sport Band for Samsung Watch 5 Pro. The sleek Samsung D-Buckle design is magnetic, making it simple to clasp on or take off. Durability. All devices in the Galaxy Watch 5 series have a water resistance rating of 5 atm. They can safely endure water pressure up to a depth of 50 meters, so you can take a shower or clock laps in the pool while wearing your Galaxy Watch 5. Battery. A bigger watch also means a bigger battery. The Pro houses a 590 mAh battery, which is the largest on any of the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Battery life will vary depending on usage, of course, but in my testing claims the Watch 5 Pro will last 80 hours per charge, or 20 hours with GPS enabled. GPS route tracking and trackback. All new route tracking lets you follow GPX format routes on your watch. Use TrackBack to help you back to the place you started from. Stay on track thanks to voice or vibration guided turn-by-turn navigation. Auto workout tracking. When workout detection is turned on, your Samsung smartwatch will automatically detect and record activities you perform like walking, running, and cycling. However, if you're performing other actions or movements, like driving, the watch may think you're performing a workout. Wear OS work. The Watch 5 Pro comes with Google's Wear OS powered by Samsung, so that means you get Google Maps, Google Assistant, Google Pay, Messages, Keep Notes, and more. In addition, Samsung Pay, Samsung Messages, Samsung Health, Bixby, and other Samsung apps are provided. It is a Samsung Galaxy Watch after all. New Sleep Coach. The Galaxy Watch 5 series also offers sleep coaching to help you sleep better. Sleep coaching can be activated from the Samsung Health app. The feature analyzes your sleep patterns for a week and then builds you a personalized 4-week sleep coaching plan, providing useful tips and guidance for improving sleep habits.